Hi, I'm Chris and I want you to show how you can easily and fast in 5 minutes create interactive content for smartboards using Movings. So what we see here is the software Movings, and this lets you create interactive graphics in just 3 steps. First of all, what you see here is the slide area where you can create your interactive graphics. You can just add images, for example a fish, and just place it wherever you want. Let's load another fish here. And now what I want to do is that these two fishes synchronize their motions whenever I move one of the two fishes. So to create this interaction, I just click on this magic tool here, which opens a wizard browser, and I say I want to move elements and I want to synchronize them. So I see here a preview what I will do in the next steps. Just say start, and I just pick up one element on the slide and another element that should be synchronized with the first one. So I can now do some settings. For example, I can say the other one of the two elements should be faster. And if I just say finish, we see these two elements, they are connected now because they have a relationship, an interaction relationship. If I just test it, you can see if I move one of the fishes, the other fish moves as well. If I double click on this icon, I can still do some settings. For example, say that both should be synchronized, and then I want to have a rotation in their motion. So let's see what happens now. If I move one of the fishes, the other fish moves about 90 degrees. If I click on this button, I just export this interactive graphic and I just get it into my smart notebook software. And here this interaction of course works too. So let's return to Movings. I want to create a bowl here. Let's just say fishes in a bowl now, and I want to draw a bowl. I can just draw a bowl here. By the way, you could also use your smartboard pens to do that. And now I have a bowl. I will just fill it in a blue color. Of course, I have to say with the right mouse button, I say move to button because it should be in the background. And now I see the fishes again. What I want to do now, I just start. I don't want the fishes to exit the bowl. So what can we do about that? Again, I take the magic wizard button, and we find here a group that says restriction. And here we see sandbox. And sandbox is an area that could not be exited by children, just like a real sandbox where children are playing and you don't want the children to leave the sandbox. So I said just start, and for the sandbox I choose the bowl, and for the children I choose the two fishes. So now I'm already finished, and if I export this graphic to Smart Notebook, we can see I can move the fishes, but they can never exit the bowl. So that's really cool. It's less than 5 minutes to create such interaction.